The 3D printer is a versatile tool used for additive fabrication. 3D printers use data extracted from digital models to drive a print head that deposits material. Material is placed in layers that build over time, resulting in a three-dimensional object. The 3D printer can build objects with complex geometries. It is useful for rapid prototyping and for building detailed models or model parts. SALA students have access to multiple 3D printers. These are located on the 3rd floor of the LaSalle building, in the LaSalle basement, in the landscape annex, and in the N studio in the Macmillan building. The 3D printers are available at all hours but must be reserved for use. You can reserve an appointment through the Making and Building website. Select Booking to launch the calendar. Navigate to Output Booking to see available time slots. It is important to use filament designed specifically for each brand of 3D printer. Students must provide their own filament, available for sale in the LaSalle workshop. Before you start, be sure to have your own filament, tape, and an SD card loaded with your file. You will likely be exporting your 3D print model from Rhino. Specific instructions for file preparation can be found on the Making and Building website. The Tinkering Suite is a proprietary software used to prepare files for printing on this machine. Start by importing the STL file of your model from Rhino. Scale and rotate as needed. Adjust the slice setting as desired. Once the file is sliced, use the slider to visually confirm the print. When all steps are complete, save the G-code file to your SD card. Once you have reserved your appointment, it's time to prepare the printer for use. Start by taping the glass plate without overlapping the edges. It is important to keep a flat base. Next, clip the taped glass back into place. Then, navigate to the wizard on the prompt screen. Level the bed. When prompted, turn the knobs to lower or raise the bed. When done, there should be a hairline gap between the printer head and the bed. Next, load the filament. On the back of the printer, there is a hook for holding the filament spool in place. Feed the filament into the nearby tube until it pokes out the other side. When the printer is ready, remove any old filament from the printer and insert your filament. Next, load your SD card and navigate to the file you exported from Tinkering Suite. Press Print. Monitor your job at all times, checking on the progress of your print. Never leave your 3D print unattended. When the print is completed, remove the glass from the bed with your print still attached. Once clear of the machine, remove your finished print from the glass. When cleaning up, trim your filament from the machine, leaving at least 4 inches of filament. This gives the next user enough material to grip and pull out. Remove any excess material from around the machine. Don't forget to turn off the machine before you leave. And remember to take your finished 3D print with you. For more information on best practices for preparing your 3D print files or for using the machines, please talk to the Design Media Assistants or fellow SALA students.